axilla. The anterior axillary fold formed by the pectoralis major muscle, anterior axillary fold. Along the anterior axillary fold up to the fourth costal cartilage, then to the table, and along the anterior axillary fold up to the upper 1/4 and lower 3/4 junction of the arm. Then the incision is up to the table. So these two are the incision. One is along the anterior axillary fold up to the fourth costal cartilage, then from that point fourth costal cartilage to the table, and along the anterior axillary fold up to the junction of upper 1/4 and lower 3/4 junction, then to the table. Skin laterally and below reflected. Now deep fascia, superficial fascia, deep fascia here, and this is the axilla. Axilla is a pyramidal structure, has got an apex, base, medial wall, lateral wall, anterior wall and posterior wall. Again, axilla is a pyramidal structure. This is the base, this is the apex, lateral wall, narrowest wall, this is the medial wall, broadest wall, anterior wall and posterior wall. In the anterior wall we find the pectoralis major muscle. Here is the pectoralis major muscle and pectoralis minor muscle. This is the posterior wall. This muscle, bulky muscle, is the subscapularis muscle. Then here two muscles. This is the latissimus dorsi and this is teres major muscle. So teres major, latissimus dorsi up to this latissimus dorsi, teres major, and this is subscapularis muscle. So anterior wall formed by pectoralis major minor, posterior wall by subscapularis muscle, teres major muscle and latissimus dorsi muscle. On the posterior wall we find this is the nerve to latissimus dorsi, and here it is the upper subscapular nerve and this is the lower subscapular nerve. After supplying the lower part of the subscapularis muscle, supplying the teres major muscle. Here only we can see nerve to latissimus dorsi, who supplies the latissimus dorsi muscle. So this is the posterior wall. And this is the subscapularis vessels. Now this is the medial wall, broadest wall. We find this is the long thoracic nerve, segmental supply, long thoracic nerve. Here we can find the lateral thoracic artery, and this is the nerve to latissimus, nerve to serratus anterior or long thoracic nerve. So these are the serratus anterior muscles and intercostal space, upper four intercostal space. Lateral wall is the narrowest wall, and first we have to identify the median nerve. By the two root we identify the median nerve. This is the medial root of median nerve and this is the lateral root of median nerve. Along with the lateral root we find another nerve. This is important. This is called musculocutaneous nerve. Who pierces the muscle? Coracobrachialis muscle is pierced by musculocutaneous nerve. So this is musculocutaneous nerve, lateral root of median nerve, and this is the medial root of median nerve. This is median nerve, and now this is the ulnar nerve. This one is the ulnar nerve. This is the medial cutaneous nerve of the forearm. And this narrow nerve, this is the medial cutaneous nerve of the arm. So medial cutaneous nerve of the arm, medial cutaneous nerve of the forearm, and this is the ulnar nerve. This is median nerve. Median nerve have got two roots. This is the medial root, this is the lateral root. In between the two roots, we find the axillary artery. This one is the axillary artery in between the two roots. This structure is axillary artery. This one is the axillary artery. You see, this is the axillary artery. This is the in between the two roots, axillary artery. And this one is the axillary vein. This one is the axillary vein. This one is the axillary vein. So this is axillary vein, narrow wall, thin walled, narrow structure. This is the axillary vein, and this is the axillary artery. Axillary artery. So this one is the axillary artery. This one is the axillary artery, and this one is the axillary vein. Axillary vein. Now all the structures we pull forward, and then in the posterior wall we find a broad nerve. This is the radial nerve. This one is the radial nerve. This one is the radial nerve. Radial nerve. So along with the radial nerve we go further above to find the axillary nerve. To find the axillary nerve. This one is the axillary nerve. This one is the axillary nerve, and it is going posteriorly. It is going posteriorly. We catch the nerve on the posterior side also. This one is the axillary nerve. This is all about axilla.